I'm gonna share from the how do we connect the device to our Wi-Fi. So first you have to download this MiHome app. So from here, right, you click on this one, then search for your Mi Robot Vacuum, which is like, then it will ask you to like simultaneously press these two to actually reset the Wi-Fi.
Waiting for the network setup.
And then you have to go back to this one, press operation complete, then press next. This one already you have already confirmed, then you click next. It will scan the device. So you have to connect to your Wi-Fi. Click next. You have to ensure that you connect to a 2.4 gigahertz. Otherwise it doesn't work, because it doesn't connect to 5 gigahertz channel, so you must ensure it's a 2.4 gigahertz. Then you click on this, then you click next, then you should be able to see your device. Okay, Dream Vacuum, then it should,
The phone and I were connected. The phone and I were connected.
Bring
Please
closer
return
to
to
the
the app to wait for the setup to complete.
Okay, so now it's like loading. Yep, you should actually hear the instruction from the vacuum as well. Then it will show that it's connecting the device to the network. Okay, connected time out.
Network connected successfully.
Just now, right, notice that initially we try to connect our device to the Wi-Fi, probably slightly too far, and then cannot get connected. So there is an instruction saying that try to bring the device closer to the router, which we did, and then immediately it gets connected. So if in case it happens to you as well, just bring the device closer to the router and then click something like try again or retry, then it will be able to connect. And make sure that your Wi-Fi is broadcasting at 2.4 gigahertz, because previously I used a combined one. I'm using Time Broadband, but I use a combined channel, which is 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz combined into one, so I can only see like one wireless ID. Then I couldn't connect it after numerous try. Then after that I actually call the Time Broadband technician to log into the portal and then deactivate the combined one, activate 2.4 and 5. So if you want to do it yourself also can, if you know how to enter into your broadband portal, right, in case your broadband portal is actually broadcasting two different band together, then you have to split it on. Then after that you split it already, it should be able to connect to your 2.5 gigahertz band.
Network connected successfully.
So now you have already connected here. You can probably just simply set up one first. Robot vacuum, okay, just leave it first. Then let's get started. So once you are in here already, you will see all the first time notification, and then it has, because I have run the cleaning before, so for the sake of demo I actually delete the device. I think it still has its memory of the mapping and how it cleans the route of the cleaning. So that's why when you come in here, right, you will see things like this, but you shouldn't be seeing things like this. In case you want to open, right, the map, you have to ensure that this map saving is on, and then go back to the home screen. You scroll down and map management, you can actually rename the area. You click on it, then rename. You can rename to other, like custom, you can put any name. If you, so I go out from here, then if you want to reset, just click the reset map. And if you want to add any restriction area, right, for example this area I have probably a TV TV cabinet over here that I don't want the vacuum to keep on knocking over, right? Maybe it has some mirrors or something easy to get break, right? You can just put something like this, then click OK with the tick, then it will not come near to this area. So if you don't want, just remove it. So if you want to add a virtual wall, just add something like this. You can resize, you can resize long or short. Then same thing, just click the tick. So as of now, I have already configured it. Is what I needed to be configured. So I go back out, and then that's it. How to connect your Xiaomi robot to the MiHome app. Then if you want to pause the cleaning, you can just click here instead of click at the vacuum. Then if you want it to return to the dock, you can just click this one. Cleanup mode, that means is the suction power. If you put strong or turbo, right, it will suck better, but it will use up the battery faster. Then water level, you can know from here. You can see medium. Before you connect to the app, right, you can only see when you remove the water container. Then this one is to schedule, whether you want to schedule like what time it will start, right? Then daily repeat, working days, weekends, or custom, something like your alarm. Then clean up, you can put strong, turbo, standard, or silent, right? Then voice alert, you can put like different languages lah. Now I'm already in English, so it's okay. I think that's all for now. Now it's like mapping the cleaning path. Alright, the vacuum is now back to the charging dock, and then we see, okay, we see here it's already like mapped the whole house already, and then it used about 52 minutes to clean up the entire house. It still have 44% battery. Then the area it cleaned like 39 meters square. Then the rest is like charging, start clean up. So the next time when you want to schedule it to start, right, just schedule it very easily. Starting time is like setting up your alarm. You set already, then you just put once daily, working, weekdays, or custom, and then cleaning up mode, standard, strong, turbo. It's just that you couldn't set the zone that you want to clean up. That's just one thing which is not there yet. Other than that, it's like pretty much easy to use. Okay, let's get this started. Okay, I don't want it to enter to my bathroom. It is not mapped here. It's actually here, but it's not mapped. So I want to just put another virtual wall over here, so it doesn't go in. I can still like close the door, but if you close the door, it will still knock on it, So if I put like this, right, and then adjust, it will definitely will not go into this area. All right, then I click OK, come back out, start clean up. Around your house, right, it will see like it's going like this, the mapping, like doing its job. From here, right, if you want to assign the name, you want to put a virtual wall, where do you go? You just scroll down to here, map management. If you don't see your map management, you have to go into this one, experimental features. You have to turn it on first, map saving mode. Then only the vacuum will have this mapping. After you have this mapping, right, but provided you have already run one whole round of your house before they can do a mapping, then you go to map management. Map management, you can actually rename. You choose a place, you rename. You want to rename to something else, you can put custom and then put the name, then press OK. This one I have already renamed everything, right? So after this one, if you want to put let's say I was working in the office, I don't want the vacuum to come in to be noisy and kacau, right? Then I press this one, add a virtual wall. then I slide to here. Actually I can reduce the length, so you can see, right, this one I can just put it here so it will not enter. I just click like this, okay, back, then slide down, you can see it over here. So now it's charging. After finish charging, we can start the cleanup.